Welcome to our tutorial on the different view modes and features in Microsoft Word. In this guide, we'll explore the various ways you can view and navigate your document. Let's get started. First, let's look at Read mode. This view is designed for reading documents more comfortably on screen. To switch to Read mode, go to the View tab on the ribbon. Click on Read mode on the left side. Read mode removes distractions, providing a clean, book-like reading experience. It's perfect for reviewing your notes or reading lengthy documents. To leave Read mode, press Escape on the keyboard, or select View, then Edit Document. Next, we have Print Layout. This is the default view in Word and shows how your document will look when printed. To ensure you're in Print Layout, go to the View tab. Click on the Print Layout. Print Layout displays headers, footers, margins, and other formatting elements, making it ideal for preparing documents for printing. For more detailed editing, you can use outline and draft views. These views simplify the layout, focusing on structure and content. Outline view helps you organize and navigate your document using headings and subheadings. Click Outline in the View tab to use this mode. Draft view is for quick, detailed text editing without worrying about layout and formatting. Click a draft in the View tab to switch to this mode. Further along the toolbar we have some more features. Ruler, display the ruler to help with aligning text, graphics, and other elements. Check the rulers box in the Show group. Gridlines, show gridlines for precise object placement. Check the Gridlines box in the Show group. Navigation pane, easily navigate through your document using headings or search results. Check the Navigation pane box in the Show group to display it on the left sidebar of your screen. There are also zoom options help you control the magnification of your document. One page, this is the default view, this will view one page at a time. Click the one page in the zoom group. Multiple pages, view multiple pages side by side. Click the multiple pages and zoom in or out to view the preferred number of pages. Page width, adjust the view so that the document's width matches your screen width. Click Page Width in the Zoomed section of the ribbon. Managing multiple documents is easy with these options. New Window, open a new window for the current document. Click New Window in the Window group. Arrange All, view all open documents side by side. Click Arrange All in the Window group. Split the current document window into two panes for easier editing and comparison. Click Split in the Window group. These features are particularly useful for comparing notes, referencing multiple sources, or editing different sections of a document simultaneously. We hope this tutorial helps you navigate and utilize the various view modes and features in Microsoft Word. Whether you're reading, editing, or organizing your document, these tools will enhance your efficiency and productivity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.